guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing, sending positive vibes like always. So I am very excited to bring to you guys this tutorial. I wanted to create something that was very fall inspired, that you didn't have to wear lashes. So if you guys don't like to wear falsies, you can totally recreate this look. It's super easy, so I want to teach you guys. And obviously, if you like to wear falsies, this will look amazing with some beautiful falsies. I love everything about this look. I love how we have the dark waterline, which is very, very in. I don't know if you guys know that, but that's super, super in right now, and I absolutely love it. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into the tutorial.
By each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little.
So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that you like it. Before I leave, I do want to give you guys my lip combo, just in case if anybody is interested. So for the lip liner, I am using the Beauty Creation X Murillo lip liner. It's called Poppin'. Absolutely love it. I bought like 3 or 4 of these, and I go through them so fast because it's such a beautiful color, and you can mix it in with a lot of things. And then for the lip gloss, I've told you guys about this one so much. I absolutely love how it looks. It's again the Murillo Twins X Beauty Creations, and it is called Only Be. As you can see, I am almost out, so it's time to order another one. So yeah, I love this lip combo. It goes with a lot of looks that I do, and obviously you could darken it up, you could lighten it up, and it still looks beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will have more tutorials coming up from different new palettes, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!